Today we are creating a sweet treat that is not only delicious, but looks so cute. You'll need bananas, melting chocolate, popsicle sticks, candy eyes, orange M&Ms, apricots, and lastly, Jumbo Marshmallows. First, you're going to peel and cut the bananas in half. Slide the popsicle stick into the bottom of each banana. Set them in the freezer for about an hour, and while the bananas are freezing, cut the marshmallows in half. Melt the chocolate in the microwave until smooth. Dip each frozen banana pop into the melted chocolate. Now add the eyes, beak, press on the marshmallow for the belly, and lastly add the apricots as feet. Freeze your finished penguin pop until it's ready to serve, and then enjoy!